Vlog. This is not real vlog. It's a dinosaur contest. Yee-hoo! Me with my butt all over.
Jackie, what time is it?
I'm trying to see. 8:30.
Well, we got 29.
Whee!
No, you gotta go back. No, this
Go, Dino, go. Parkour, come on.
Guys,
Parkour.
I'm not running.
See if I can do this. I'm holding it up to my head so I can see like a head mount. Come on, practice your climbing, Haley.
Why?
Yeah.
We two better climb.
Look, that's a bat.
But what if you're already perfect?
It's not a bird, that's a bat.
Well,
It's your
anybody
golf
can
booty
get
bat.
faster,
Cause you did.
smarter. Anybody can get faster, smarter, stronger. Anything.
And they're on steroids.
What? There's a
Whoa, 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 whoa.
There's a body. Who says?
Whoa, whoa. Oh, so playing. I'm holding on. This is like a dirt bike. Wow.
Okay. There's a body limitation. How fast can you go? What's the limitation then? I don't know. Google it.
Google it. You Google it.
Play it up.
What do you do? I'm just basically taking a video for nothing. Subscribe to my channel, please. I really need some followers. Subscribe. Drop a like on this video. Tell me what you think in the comments below. If you're a hater, hate me all you want. I don't care if you hate me or if you don't hate me.
Haters gonna hate, potatoes gonna take.
Shut the freak up. No one's talking to you. Target. You don't even know what you're talking about. Go to my bike. Maybe I'm gonna hook this up to my bike. See?
Yeah, what's up? It's Eminem. Hey, that makes it sound.
Oh, that's what she said.
Oh my god.
You a geek.
Oh, what if it falls out?
It won't.
Let me try.
Here we go.
I'm Eminem from Skittles and M&M's.
Ah, shizness.
Oh my god.
Whee! Why? Whoa. I'm bike vlogging. Whoa. Oh crap. All right, let's go. I'm right here. Huh?
Where are you here, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Dinner time.
I'm bike vlogging. Jeez, too many bumps. Why is there too many bumps? Norwich streets are very bumpy, even their sidewalks. In case you didn't know, I don't live in LA or none of that. I live in Cincinnati. Small home city. Even though I got sort of a country accent. I'm kind of raised like that. I'm not no city boy thug wannabe. Even though in some of my videos, I'm kind of like that. Just to be like that. Just to be like that. In case you didn't hear me, that car almost hit me. I got one hand on the camera. One hand weight on the handlebar. Just to keep my camera falling off because I don't have a bike mount. I got my camera pinned between my brake wires. So I'm not sure what sort of video this is. I guess I can title it like that. Because, yes, drop a like, subscribe, and tell me what you think in the comments below. Okay. Huh?
That's how you break your phone.
Huh? It's a bike vlog. It's a bike vlog.
Timmy, you drank this.
He's trying to be like me. He's got it on freaking video camera trying to play
What is it doing? Gyro. Yeah. So drop a like and subscribe. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And I will post more videos. See y'all later.